Right, I'm gonna watch out. Is it in time? This is gonna be a 2026 revisit of the 2006 Dover over here at the McConnell Center in Dover. Right, Thyssenkrupp VR. Long-time viewers remember this thing. We're not gonna go on the 1 because the police station's down there, but we're gonna go to 4. Oh, wait a second, we're gonna go to 3 actually. At 3, I'm actually gonna get off at 3 and then we'll call it down and I'll keep riding. Get off here. And we'll call it down. I'll wait for it to go. It's gonna be, I'm just gonna pause my video here. Alright, now we'll call it down. Use the same context as impulse. Need to fix that chime. I'm gonna L. Now we're gonna cap you. It's your standard elevator. Here's the fixtures. Alarm 88 phone, 2,500 pounds. 2006, 150 feet a minute. Alright, 3 again. I wonder what this was for. Probably an accidental button. L. Listen. Same impulse contacts. Now I'll end our video here at the lobby. Watch it close. There it goes. That's it.